fine. You got a mushroom. You know what that means? It means I gotta cut the grass again.
Right now we are heading to Dollar General, and we have a horse show today, and I really hope you guys can see me because I don't know if you can.
Members, it's
okay.
34 o'clock.
So
I got a horse event tonight. Sorry.
And the cool thing is today
we went out there at 4 o'clock. Fuck you.
Ouch. Right now I have a baby egg, and it's so tiny. Here, hold on, let me get it. It's too tiny. We can't cook it.
Well, guess what? I'm not spending the money to go to the Incredibles because
Ouch.
Huh?
It is so tiny.
I do, but I don't want to see it with them.
Wow.
Hoping I treated her well. She's scary.
Bad is that?
Come look.
I just have to come back a little bit more and I'm golden.
Yeah, and you need to make sure you have the wheels straight so you don't like go that way. What do you need to know?
I want to know if that was all the way in.
What? Yeah, that's all the way in.
Ooh, Jesus Christ.
Scare the crap out of you. Beep the horn on the struggle bus.
Beep, beep. Did you get this?
Hello, beautiful. Beep, beep. Hello, beautiful.
I'm gonna pull the tractor.
Yeah, we gotta video it. We gotta video your struggle bussing. Wow. Don't tell me to shut up. It's your ride, not mine.
Leave me and my struggle bus alone. Hi.
I bid you luck.
Even I don't want you to. This horse trailer is light.
Beep the horn on your struggle bus.
I beeped it loud and proud.
Well, you know. Welcome to my usual Friday night from now until the end of the season. So, next time I do a fair video is the end of this. So we get to do this until further notice, huh, Jess?
Yep. Sorry. I guess I could have went up more.
You're fine.
I should probably leave the keys in there.
Quick will live.
Now I gotta go get myself ready. Come here.
Better get on it. What? Where are we going? Where are we going? What are we doing?
I found an injured animal.
You found an injured animal?
Yeah.
What did you find? I see horse poop.
I see Daddy Long. He's injured.
Daddy Longlegs is injured, huh?
Yeah. He's injured.
I'm gonna call Dr. Tim.
No, because I know he's terrified of spiders.
You don't think Tim would be a good doctor for him?
Stay there.
What do you think, Tim? Think you can take care of him, help him get back to health? Just so any of you don't know, Tim is extremely arachnophobic. Even a daddy long legs to freak him out. It's hilarious. I love beaners. Jeff,
She was like, but I want to go.
she can go when you let her go, not before.
But I have to keep her to a trot.
A little bit.
What? Don't push her. No, push her harder. I'm kidding.
It hummed before we had that.
I'm gonna stick Stephanie on you.
She was really doing good at the house.
What is she? You're gonna go run.
Even though I'm just a little bit wet right now.
You're more than a little wet. Look at Mac. Mac's soaked. But you did a great job.
Is Jess coming?
Such beautiful weather.
Shut up.
What?
Shut up.
Don't you tell me to shut up. And it's not a horse event unless it's raining.
Yeah, we can tell. I wasn't even out there for that long.
You a little wet?
Come on, Mom, hurry up.
Mac, how are you?
Soaked.
Soaked? Yeah.
Go, Mom.
Soaked and hurting.
Yeah, Jessie messed up her knee.
Yeah,
It's all swollen, but she struggled through because she's a badass. Definitely my child. Stubborn to a fault.
Stubborn and then complaining later that it hurts.
Yep.
It was so nice and then.
Look at you. Oh my
What
God.
place did I get?
Look how wet she is.
Did you hear the placings? Yes,
Yes.
here. Mackenzie got 3rd. Jessica got 5th. You're coming home with me.
Get in my bed. I love this song.
Good place.
I know. I can actually sing this part because I'm a soprano. And I want to hear you screaming over the radio.
525,600 minutes. 525,000 moments, oh dear. 525,600 minutes. How do you measure a year? In daylights, in sunsets, in midnights, in cups of coffee, in inches, in miles, in laughter, in strife. In 525,600 minutes, how do you measure a year in the life?
So anytime you're out and about in the country, you gotta see what gets your goat. So cute. Alright, well, I'll give an update to the vlog because, we're doing some goofy shit. So we want to put the MG on the lift so we can do all the lines. We got new gas lines, brakes, all the brake kit. And we have gas lines and brake lines, everything. We want to put the car up on a lift so we can do a lot of the work underneath instead of being on the floor. As of right now, we have our 71 Mach 1 sitting on the lift. So we have to move that, and thankfully we got Maxwell helping us out. What up, dude? What's up? So we got Maxwell helping. And we're trying to get, which you'll notice the mess right now, we're trying to get the 66 4-speed. We're gonna clear that area, move the MG over. The 66 is gonna move over. And then tomorrow, after we get the diesel running, which batteries are just dead, I need to move it to make better work because I really want to get that truck done, but it's hard to do over there. So we're going to get these moved around. That truck's going to be backed up to the door so I can do all the work on it without having to do any major crazy stuff. Or if it looks like rain, I can put the MG up in the air, up there, and I can back the truck in underneath it and work on the body work in here if I have to. So, one step at a time, we're going to get the 66 out. The other nice thing is, whenever that diesel's done, gives me a chance I can start working on the body work on this along with the MG. Progress, guys. Pardon the mess. Keep on, and I'll give you guys an update. I'm not going to record everything. Alright, so definitely not done, but got things going. Here's the 66 out from underneath the lift for the first time in about 2 years. Here's the 71 that we've had up on the lift that you guys have seen numerous times. This is an original Mach 1. So, see, it's still got the back seat in it. Here's the front seats, floor pans. The dash is in here. So, you can see it, that's the wing, everything. So, there you go, guys. A lot of stuff done, a lot more to go, but tomorrow we get diesel moved, get Mach 1 moved, MG will come over here where the lift is, and Mach 1 will go where the MG is, which will cut down on our room on the side, but we'll actually be able to get that one done, and then get the 66 done, and then the Mach 1. Alright, we're going to get all our junk in and call it a night. As always, we'll see you on the flip side.